Sanjay Chadda, advocate with the Supreme Court. Sir, in terms of maintainability, in terms of validity, decoding the constitutionality of it all, the Supreme Court has not struck down these regulations. It has put them in abeyance, citing vagueness, citing overbreadth. How should viewers really understand this move? And we're not here to, miff anybody or a particular community, not even Ashok ji. He'll also, calmly listen to what you have to say. Over to you, Mr. Chadda. What do you say?
Kabir, thank you very much. But I was surprised as to how Adani Ashok ji has said that he was expecting the judgment to be on the same line. I was surprised. Look, we have to see whether Ashok ji, me, or anybody, we are now looking for a caste neutral country. We are not here, inclusive society is what is required today. It is not that and if we will keep on fighting on these things, and I have also heard Shri Ashok ji saying that in Riva something had happened. Our country is not a small space.
But
It's
you see,
such a huge
Advocate
country.
Chadda, the supporters of these regulations, just like Ashok ji as well, I've been speaking to a couple of them over the last 2 days. They're saying that, yes, we need to become a more inclusive socio-cultural society, and for that, these regulations are necessary.
No, Kabir, I have not yet completed. Even I am the supporter of this law.
Okay.
But please allow me 1 minute.
Yeah.
But
go ahead.
as I said, that caste inclusive, we caste neutral. We need a so where here what had happened? You have to what the Supreme Court today said, that if we see the test of fairness, test of reasonableness is failed. What is test of reasonableness? That it is very clear that in this law we are rendering a set of persons without remedy. This is very clear. Ashok ji will agree to it. We are leaving a set of people who are so-called general category. Their remedy is not there. And it is prima facie from the very first day when there is a complaint. They are, the complaint is filed against, let's say journal category student, and from day one, within 15 days it has to be concluded. There are various incidences. We are not going into that now. I just tell you, this particular law which is being challenged, it is challenged on 4 counts.
Okay.
First, that it is one-sided. It is talking about one side, so that I just explained. Second, which is also that it is Article 14, 15, and 21. It is violative of these 3 articles. How? If you want, I can elaborate that also. The definition which is given, 3C, violation, 3C definition is not very clear. And fourth, which is very important, is if, let's say, what will happen if there is a false complaint. So these were the 4 things where it was challenged on these 4 counts. Now, what Supreme Court says, they have given a very welcome suggestion, I feel, that let not the court, not the government, not anybody else, let certain jurists, important, prominent jurists should evaluate it. Where is the need and what exactly?
You're absolutely right. We do need to specify on what this committee is going to look like.